Hi everyone, it's James in Japan. It is October 1st, 2021. You're looking at my 2021 Honda PCX 125cc. I've had it for several months and I love it. It's still in great condition. The handling, the performance, the speed, the braking, everything is fantastic. Check it out. Both front and back tires are Michelin tires. The treads are still in great condition. Front disc brake, ABS, and a rear disc brake, and a ESP Plus enhanced smart power motor engine, which makes the bike really fast. And the shocks are excellent when you go over bumps. This is optional. A footrest for your passenger. This is where you check your oil. Lots of space for you to put your foot. This comes off. Okay. I think I've already gone over the bike. To open the seat, you turn this dial towards the seat. You press down. Ooh, right now it's open. Okay, you press down. You hear that? That opens the seat. There's lots of space. This is my bag. There's a tool kit. It comes with the bike. Lots of space. The battery compartment's here. That's if you need to change it yourself, or just bring it into a dealer. Okay, this is the gas compartment. Okay, the gas compartment, press fuel. Okay, just like that. It takes regular unleaded. Here's a little holder for the cap. Okay, let's turn it on. Sometimes you'll see the hazard lights on. To turn the hazard lights on and off, just press this button. This is for on and off. Right now it's on. And it's a little cloudy, so the headlights are on. The bike has built-in sensors. Okay, if I want to turn that off, just do that. Left and right brake fluid. Okay, this is high beam and this is low beam. Horn and the light indicator. Okay, let's engage. Okay, this is how to do it. Okay, this is how to do it, okay? Okay, once like this, you're going to pull in the brakes on both sides and press the starter. This is the starter button here. That's it. And then release the brakes. And this is the throttle. One other thing I didn't tell you. Let me just quickly turn this off. You can charge your smartphone in this compartment. You can put your bottle there. And right over there is where you can charge. You can use a special cable for your smartphone. Okay, it's a USB-C. Okay. I'm on my way home. Watch me ride. It is so easy to handle. Look at it. Right now it's on idling stop, which temporarily cuts the engine. It stops the engine, okay? It stops it from vibrating. Saving you fuel and vibrating your butt, and you're also helping the environment.
This PCX takes 8 liters of gasoline, and it automatically calculates your average fuel consumption. On average, I spend about 1,000 yen to get a filler up, and that depends on how much gasoline I have in the bike. According to the bike specs, 1 liter of gasoline can take you up to 51.3 kilometers. Pretty good, eh? Anyway, consider getting a PCX. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care.